Welcome to Higher Order Coaching Institute, where learning meets guidance and potential turns into performance. We believe that every student learns differently. That's why we offer our three modes of learning program: in-class learning program, online learning program, and personal mentorship. Our first learning program is in-class learning programs. In this program, students attend classes at our center and learn in a structured classroom environment with our highly experienced and dedicated faculty. In this course, we provide all the study materials in a printed format, including books, assignment, daily practice sheet, immediate doubt solving sessions, and online test series. This course is available for class 8 to 12, JEE and NEET aspirants. Our offline branches available at Chandigarh, Daliganj, and Digripur. Our second mode of learning program is online learning program, where students attend classes anywhere, anytime without compromising the quality education. This course is specially designed for those students who are from remote area to save their precious time and cost of daily traveling. In this course, we provide live classes in a small group of students with two-way voice communication support for better understanding. Also, all the study materials in a digital format and online test series to track the progress. This course is available for class 6 to 12 students only. Our third learning program is personal mentorships. This program is specially designed for those students who feel shy and hesitate to ask the question in our classroom programs. In program, we provide home tutor and one-to-one live classes on student preference. This program is available for class 1 to 12 students only. At Higher Order Coaching Institute, we don't just teach, we mentor, we guide, we inspire the students. To know more about us, visit our website higherorder.in or our offline branches. Our offline branches available at Chandigarh, Daliganj, and Digripur.